For today's video, my fellow Horti, is a part 2 of our previous video entitled What's Inside a Cell? Cell Wall, Plastids, Nucleus, Organelles Explained. For today, I will discuss about cytoplasm, cell membrane, mitochondria, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, nucleus, and lysosomes. Are you ready to rumble now? Then get your seat and coffee, and then I will start now. A cell is the basic unit of life. Inside it are specialized structures called organelles that each have important roles to help the cell survive and function. Let's explore the key organelles one by one. 1. Cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance that fills the inside of the cell. It holds all the organelles in place and allows nutrients and molecules to move around. It's like the soup where all cell activities happen. 2. Cell membrane. The cell membrane is the thin outer layer of the cell. It acts like a protective gate. It controls what enters and exits the cell, such as oxygen, nutrients, and waste. It also helps the cell communicate with other cells. 3. Mitochondria. Known as the powerhouse of the cell, mitochondria produce energy through a process called cellular respiration. They convert glucose and oxygen into ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the energy currency of the cell. 4. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are small structures that build proteins, which are essential for cell function and repair. They can float freely in the cytoplasm or attach to the endoplasmic reticulum. 5. Endoplasmic reticulum, ER. There are two types of ER. Rough ER has ribosomes, helps make and transport proteins. Smooth ER, no ribosomes, helps make lipids, fats, and detoxifies harmful substances. The ER is like the cell's manufacturing and transport system. 6. Golgi body, Golgi apparatus. The Golgi body processes, packages, and ships proteins and lipids to where they are needed. Think of it as the post office of the cell. 7. Nucleus. The nucleus is the control center of the cell. It holds the cell's DNA, which contains the instructions for all cellular activities. It also manages growth, reproduction, and repair. 8. Lysosomes. Lysosomes are like the cell's clean-up crew. They contain enzymes that break down waste, old organelles, and harmful materials. They help keep the cell clean and healthy. Summary. Each part of the cell has a special role, like parts of a factory, working together to keep the cell alive and efficient. By understanding these organelles, we gain a deeper appreciation for the amazing complexity of life at the cellular level. Thanks for watching our video, and please subscribe if you still not yet subscribe our channel, share, like, and click the bell notification button so that you will be notified on our next video. Bye!